You guys, it's Matt here. So I told you guys, I told you that XRP honestly was the first cryptocurrency on the list to become an ETF or to have its own ETF and multiple ETFs at that. But it was the SEC versus Ripple that really kind of led to that not happening, right? If the SEC is against it in some form or fashion for some reason, then they're not going to have an ETF. They're not going to approve of an ETF. It just doesn't line up. It doesn't make sense. But once you get to an end, and if we truly are at the end, that's where you will see the interest that builds up more about the ETF. That's what a lot of people's arguments were. Anytime I brought it up was like, there's no way that we're going to see an ETF or something that's involved in a lawsuit that has litigation against it right now. And I was telling people, look, this is like this litigation, this lawsuit that we're dealing with. Honestly, it's like a false lawsuit. They're doing this just to kind of grab money, right? It's a money grab tactic, and that's what they've been doing with many other not only cryptocurrency projects but also exchanges and just people involved in just everything around crypto, because they just want money from the cryptocurrency industry because they're not getting it a lot. They're not getting a lot or what they believe they should get from the cryptocurrency industry. Eventually, they'll find a way to get everything that they need to get. But right now, they're money hungry, right? So they want billions of dollars. They want hundreds of millions of dollars. But I told you guys, I told you that the XRP ETF is going to happen. And there were a lot of comments like, yeah, sure, the XRP ETF is not going to happen. Nobody's going to file for it. Nobody wants to do it. And now we have the first word of not only the trust that was created, but also the first official filing for an XRP ETF with the SEC. So make sure you guys hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, if you guys want to trade XRP, you can check out my link for MargX, where you could trade up to a 50x leverage if you wanted to. You can also trade as little as a 5x leverage. So let's say you have $100, you can trade $500 worth by only risking $100. Now, it is very risky. The risk of losing that $100 is way higher than you buying XRP outright, but you do get the benefits or at least the gains of trading with $500. So make sure you know what you're doing before you dive into leverage trading, but it is honestly a great way to make more money if you know what you're doing, with chart reading and technical analysis and all that stuff. Also, if you want to check out my link for Trade Assist, I have a link down below where you can basically have an indicator that helps you with that short-term trading as well as long-term trading, finding the right time to buy in, the right time to sell out, the right time to find bullish momentum, bearish momentum, all of those different things. Feel free to check that out. The link is right below the MargX link. But let's look at XRP. We're not really seeing too much positivity in the crypto market here today. It's kind of negative overall. But XRP is down by 4% at 57 cents, 57.5 cents, at a $32.5 billion market cap, with a 25% increase in volume at $2.5 billion worth of volume, a 7.7% volume to market cap ratio. We are still seeing 56.56% of the circulating supply, so we haven't seen any major dilution as of right now, but we do stand on having a lot left on the table from Ripple themselves. And now we're not seeing a ton of or a big push from XRP because of this news. Honestly, it plays catch up with the market because the market is not in positive right now. So yeah, but what we're here for is not just to go through an update of where XRP is. We're here to go through this article. We have Bitwise officially files for an XRP ETF with the SEC. So in a tweet on Wednesday, Bitwise noted it had filed an S1 form with the securities top dog for a Bitwise XRP ETP. Per the announcement, the fund will hold XRP, provide investors with alternative means of investing in the XRPL native token. Bitwise makes filing official. The asset manager, who already offers Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs to clients, publicly confirmed its push for the XRP ETF a few days after the application was seen on the Delaware division of corporation website. Although an earlier report stated that a Bitwise spokesperson confirmed the filing, the asset manager had yet to apply to the SEC. However, the Wednesday application reinstated Bitwise's play to expand its crypto offerings to the seventh largest digital asset on or by market cap. Notably, the filing shows that Bitwise has not selected the exchange where the XRP ETF will trade or funds ticker. However, the asset manager could amend the application. I went all the way back here. Could amend the application as it progresses with the SEC approval process. So, reacting to the filing, Bitwise CEO Hunter Horsley stated that the blockchain technology will provide the 21st century with the new apolitical monetary assets and permissionless applications. He further noted that the XRP ETF was part of the firm's commitment to provide endless opportunities for investors in the crypto space. Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse also reacted to the announcement, noting it was just the beginning. He said the ETF application underscores the growing trust and adoption of digital assets like XRP into the traditional system. Traditional financial institutions traction towards XRP was first noticed when Grayscale launched the XRP Trust last month. The launch fueled the prospect of an amending ETP with a spectacular asserting that the SEC will approve an XRP ETF before that of Solana. And I said that this would be the case, that XRP honestly was on the list even before Ethereum. Yes, everybody was pushing for a Bitcoin ETF, but who really wasn't, right? Even I was, and I'm not really a huge Bitcoin fan, but when you talk about XRP, it's kind of the staple for this, right? Of what cryptocurrency is known to be for everyone, right? As that transaction-based currency and being able to use, XRP as a form of payment to trade and send money to one another on XRPL, I feel like is a big deal, a huge deal, and honestly should be partnered with an ETF. And I think honestly, an all-encompassing ETF is coming very, very soon, where you have either sectors that it goes with or how many cryptocurrencies that it truly has impacted in that ETF. So I'm excited for what's to come. Yes, we're not seeing a major impact to the overall crypto market in a positive manner because of this, but all of these things are going to compound in the future. All of these things are going to come up and say, hey, you know what? This thing that happened, this led to this larger increase, as well as this, and this, all together led to this absolute explosion of the crypto market and of just any business that is doing business with cryptocurrency. It's going to be interesting. It's going to be fun. And while so many people write off cryptocurrency as a joke, whether it's in comedy specials, whether it's in SNL skits, whether it's anywhere, you're going to see people that instead of go, oh, or you invest in cryptocurrency, to say, I sent this money over to somebody and I sent this cryptocurrency coin over to in a normal manner, a normal conversation, right? And it's going to be so great to know that I'm one of the people that is not the earliest adopter, but definitely is considered an early adopter and was taking hate on people that don't really understand what crypto is. And it's not going to be about making money for them. It's going to be about sending money. It's going to be about utilizing it, right? While you had credit card businesses and you had credit card businesses that were making so much money off of this, it's not really about making money nowadays if people own a credit card. It's about being able to utilize it, spend it. And that's what it's about. But you have all these businesses that are partnering up with credit cards, that are partnering up with this and that. that were laughed at in the beginning, like, oh, you're using credit, ha 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 ha. Now it's like everybody's using credit. So, anyways, this is just the tip of the iceberg. We're going to see so much more, and I cannot wait to honestly prove a lot of people wrong that hated crypto. But I'm not going to sit here and rub it in, even though right now my title is I told you so. But I did. I told you, right? This is coming. The crypto revolution, the crypto industry, and the use of crypto is just coming. It's going to be here before you know it. And I want everybody to be a part of it at least a little bit. Whether you can find a way to make money or be able to utilize it, I want to see it. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.